Hi everyone, just wanted to show a couple of features here that are not super well known in Einblick. Very common use case, obviously, when you're doing work in Python is you use other APIs. Here in this case, the OpenAI API, and oftentimes you have things like an API key, or if you work with a database, a database password, something like that. So kind of values that you don't want to share with other people directly, if not necessary. And so instead of having them here in plain text in a Python cell, what you can do if you click on the Python icon drop down up here, go to environment, there's this tab for secrets. And so in this case, I can create a new variable called API key, give it a value, save it. And then what this allows me to do is if I go in the Python cell, I can then say, instead of using the plain text value, use the API key variable here instead. Similarly, a couple of other features of this particular tab up here is, sometimes you need different Python versions for whatever you do. Maybe a package that you install only works with Python 3.7. So really easy to switch the Python version of a canvas with this drop down here. And also, this is a great place. We have this init cell here, as we call it, a great place to do things like pip install packages. So here, maybe I want to pip install OpenAI package, run it. And so what this does basically is, every time this canvas gets used, the Einblick runtime will make sure that everything that's in this init cell will be executed before anything else that you do on a canvas. So, instead of kind of installing stuff in a cell in here, and you might need to do this in different cells within the canvas, you can do it just in one place up there. Also great place to do, if you have constants or whatever, const value or something like that you want to use all across the canvas in different places, in different cells. This is also a great place to kind of initialize some of these values.